stories don't just live on pages. They live in the silences, the emotions we hide, the moments that break us. Welcome to Chapters and Beyond, where we don't just read books, we feel them.
I'm pulling my truck into the alley behind the bar when I notice something that definitely shouldn't still be there. Purple nail polish on my right hand. Fantastic. I forgot I played dress-up with a 4-year-old last night. At least it matches my work shirt. That's my life now, balancing bartending shifts, responsibilities I didn't plan for, and nail polish that refuses to come off. Roman's already out back, tossing trash into the dumpster like it personally betrayed him. He spots the gift bag in my hand immediately. Coffee mug. It's always a coffee mug. I buy him one every Friday. Every single week. 96 weeks sober. He doesn't say thank you. I don't expect one. We don't talk about what the mugs mean. We don't celebrate it out loud. We just keep going. I've already picked out the 100th mug. Denver Broncos. His least favorite team. Roman tells me there's trouble inside. That's unusual. It's not even 6. Then he notices my nails. She did a solid job for a 4-year-old. I head inside, and there it is. My favorite song being absolutely butchered through the speakers. No, surely not. I round the corner and see them. My parents, hunched over the jukebox, laughing like teenagers, punching in the same numbers over and over again. 36 times. You think this is funny? Forcing me to listen to the same song for 6 straight hours? My dad hugs me. Beer, motor oil, and limes? Are they drunk? It's their anniversary. They never warn me when they show up. They just appear. Apparently drunk this time. I swap their drinks for water. Hand my mom my credit card. Dinner's on me. Walk there. Sober up. They leave. Crisis averted. That's when I notice her. She walks in quietly, like she's not sure she's allowed to take up space. She scans the room, finds the farthest corner, sits alone. Notebook out, pen moving. I stare, long enough to overfill a glass. When I look up, my mom notices. Absolutely not. I get them out of here fast. When I come back, she's still writing. Water and a Diet Coke. She looks up, freezes mid-thank you, like she didn't expect anyone to notice her. I don't ask her name. I don't ask questions. Some people don't come to bars to talk. I step away, but I keep looking back. She feels heavy, like she's carrying something she doesn't know how to put down. I don't know her story. I don't know her past. But something tells me she's about to change everything. And she doesn't even know it yet.